Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best blenders. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Blenders are versatile kitchen appliances designed to mix, puree, or emulsify food and beverages. From smoothies and soups to sauces and frozen desserts, blenders help prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. With powerful motors and sharp blades, these appliances can handle various ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, ice, and nuts. Blenders are essential for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle or experiment with new recipes, making them a staple in many kitchens. Modern blenders come in various designs, from compact personal models to high-powered professional-grade options, each offering unique features to suit different culinary needs. Number 5. CRANDDI blenders. The CRANDDI blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance, designed for both home and professional use. With a 2.2-liter capacity, it is ideal for making large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and more, making it perfect for families or gatherings. Its sleek gray design complements any kitchen decor while being functional. One standout feature is the safety lock, which ensures that the blender only operates when the lid is securely in place, adding an extra layer of protection during use. The dimensions of 9x11x19.8 make it a substantial countertop appliance, but its capacity and performance justify its size. Overall, the CRANDDI blender offers a good balance of power, safety, and capacity, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance blender that can handle a wide range of culinary tasks. Number 4. BioloMix G5001 blenders. The BioloMix G5001 blender is a versatile standing blender designed for various blending tasks. With a rotation rate of 31,000 RPM and 6 blades, this blender offers powerful performance, making it suitable for smoothies, sauces, and other blending needs. The 1.5L capacity is ideal for medium to large batches, catering to families or small gatherings. Constructed mostly from plastic, including the blending arm, chopper, housing, and container, the blender remains lightweight and easy to handle. However, it may not feel as premium as models with glass or stainless steel components. The stepless adjustment speed settings allow users to control the blending speed for more precision, and the push-button controls make operation simple and user-friendly. While the RoHS and C certifications ensure safety and quality, the blender lacks a heat preservation function, which might be a drawback for those looking to prepare hot soups. Despite this, its high RPM and efficient blade design make it an excellent choice for everyday blending. Number 3. Ninja BL770 blenders. The Ninja BL770 blender is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed for versatility and high performance. Equipped with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, this blender can pulverize ice into snow in seconds, making it perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. Its 2+ horsepower motor delivers impressive power, while the 1500 watts of performance handle everything from blending and mixing to crushing and single-serve drinks. What sets the Ninja BL770 apart is its multifunctionality. It includes an 8-cup food processor bowl, capable of chopping ingredients evenly and mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. The blender also offers 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single-serve, allowing users to customize their drink-making or food prep experience. For convenience, the package includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with 2-go lids, ideal for personal, nutrient-rich drinks on the move. The variety of blades, including the stacked blade assembly, dough blade, and chopping blade, ensures that you have the right tool for every recipe. Number 2. BioloMix G5200 blenders. The BioloMix G5200 blender is a practical and efficient appliance designed to handle a variety of blending tasks. With a rotation rate of 30,000 RPM and 6 blades, this blender offers robust performance, making it suitable for tasks such as making smoothies, soups, and sauces. Its 1.5L capacity is ideal for medium to large batches, catering to both personal and family needs. The blender features a standing style with components made from plastic, including the blending arm, chopper, housing, and container. While this design helps keep the blender lightweight, it may not have the premium feel of models with glass or metal components. The stepless adjustment speed settings provide precise control over blending, allowing users to adjust the speed according to their needs. The push-button controls make the blender user-friendly and straightforward. Although the BioloMix G5200 does not have a heat preservation function, it meets essential safety and quality standards, with C and RoHS certifications. The blender operates on 110V 220V, making it versatile for use in different regions. Number 1. BALASHOV blenders. The BALASHOV blender is a high-performance standing blender designed to handle a wide range of blending tasks with ease. With a rotation rate of 45,000 RPM and 6 blades, this blender offers exceptional power and efficiency, making it suitable for everything from ice crushing to juice extraction. Its capacity of 1.8 to 2.1 L provides ample room for both small and large batches, accommodating various needs. Constructed with a plastic housing and ABS container, the BALASHOV blender is both durable and lightweight. However, the choice of materials might not give it the premium feel of blenders made with metal or glass. The push-button controls ensure simple operation, while the high-power rating of over 1501 W ensures robust performance for all your blending requirements. This versatile blender is equipped to handle a range of functions, including making bean products, juice, rice paste, and more. It also excels at preparing milkshakes, jams, corn juice, and stirring, showcasing its adaptability in the kitchen. The blender's RoHS and C certifications guarantee that it meets safety and quality standards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those product. Please subscribe my channel for more update.